Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been on my channel before, welcome. So today I'm going to be revamping this disastrous wig that I've had for a while. So stay tuned to see how I do it. Not sure what was up with the camera, but I used Mystic Divine from Sally's. It was like the 99 cents package that they give you, and it's a hair mask, and it was actually amazing. I used this with just water. I'm sorry, my camera died, so I couldn't record me washing the hair with it, but that's all I used.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come now, Stevie BB's.
Hey guys, so with the beach waves or old vintage waves, what I do is I twist the hair before wrapping it around the wand. I just do that because when I pull it apart, that's what gives it its nice like crimps in the wave. That's what I find. This was honestly my very first attempt at doing it, but that's what worked for me. If there's any other ways you guys know, please put it in the comments, because I definitely would like to learn a faster way, because this took me hours. So once you've wanded the hair and you've put in the pins to keep it up, when you take it down, all you're going to do is literally pull apart the curl. You can use a comb or you can use your hands. I use both. And once you pull it apart without combing it, but just more teasing it, you start to get the form of the vintage waves. And there we go. That's how I revive my wig. If there's any other things you guys use to revive your wigs, please put it in the comment box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.